Welcome to Infobot 19 channel. Today we are going to see one craft video on how to make 3D textured nameboard or nameplate easily. So here I have covered few techniques like how to use POP, plaster of Paris and clay. So using your creativity and idea and some of the ideas taken from this video, if you have made a wonderful nameboard or nameplate, you can send out your images to the email ID given below. Lucky draw winners will be rewarded for sure. For this nameboard, I have taken here some plywood. So you can get this kind of plywood in any kind of the construction site, or if anybody is doing interior work near your place, you can get it from there. So you don't need to spend money and buy it. Any size would be fine. Rectangle, it will be good for nameboard or nameplate. So for making the 3D texture, I'm going to use plaster of Paris here. So plaster of Paris is a kind of gypsum powder. So where you get it in any hardware shop or paint shop, 1 kg you get it from 20 rupees to 30 rupees price. It's very cheap. If you buy one packet, you can do multiple kind of craft using this POP. So for making this paste, we need Fevicol, water and POP. So there is no exact measurement which I am going to follow. Just add some POP powder. Just add 3 to 4 tablespoons of Fevicol, so that helps in sticking to your MDF board. And add water little by little and mix it so that you get the perfect consistency. Even water and POP also would be more than enough, but to ensure that our nameplate is going to be more strong, we are going to add some Fevicol to it. Just give it a good mix using some popsicle stick or any wooden stick so that you can throw it after this craft. I will show you how the thickness should be. So this much thickness should be there. Just pour it in your MDF board or plywood and then apply it evenly using your hands. We are using hands here to spread it across so that you get the natural texture. Before it gets dried, use some fork or any popsicle stick to give the desired shape. Here I am just going to give some ripple shape. Just do it randomly, don't do evenly. It has to look very natural. Any kind of shape would be fine. You can give the wave shape, or you can, using fork, you can give yes shape. Like, it is your wish. So you need to do before it get dries. So once it is done, you need to dry it for minimum 6 to 7 hours so that we can work around it. Ensure it got dried completely. So evening time I have done it, and next day I am going to start the next step. So we are going to use acrylic paint, white color throughout the MDF boards, even in the sides. You don't need to give double coloring and all, just a single one layer would be more than enough, because we are going to use other colors also on top of it. This is just to give the bright color, that's all. Ensure you do the finishing in the sides also, then only the finishing of the product will be very good. After some 15 to 20 minutes, it got dried completely. Now we are going to write the name or whatever the statement or any positive thoughts if you want to write, you can do it. If you're gifting for your friends, then you can write their name or happy birthday or anything. It is just your ideas, you can put it across. So here I am using air dry clay for making this texture. Just use some air dry clay in the cardboard. Just spread it across whatever shape you need. Here already I have written in pencil slightly whatever the letters I need, and I am just going to use Fevicol and paste it. For this craft I am going to use Ganesha here in the side. So you can use any 3D Ganesha directly which is bought from the shop, or the similar kind how we are doing with clay, the same type you can do. The name and the door number I have written here. Ensure after each step you dry the board completely for about 15 to 20 minutes, because drying is very important, otherwise the whole craft will get spoiled. Similarly, whatever patterns you need, you can just do it using your clay itself. Next, what I am going to do is I am going to make a leaf structure. So for this leaf structure, I am using this mold, a press mold, which is a clay tool again. So if you don't have this mold, don't worry, you can cut the clay into leaf shape and you can draw the patterns of your own. It is very easy, so don't worry if you don't have this tool. So I have placed leaf in 3 different sizes and I have placed it randomly. I want to give a leaf falling effect. Just use Fevicol and apply it. Since the textures are there, once we do the coloring, it will look very nice and bright. So first, the base color, we are going to paint it completely in black. So if you give the base as black, the whatever the color you're going to put on top of it, it will be popping out nicely. So that's why you give black color. You can either use paintbrush to do it. Here I am using sponge so that it will spread easily and you can paint it. Just ensure that you cover all the places. So once the black painting is done, just leave it for drying completely and then you can go for the next step. Okay, the next step what we are going to do, we are going to do the coloring. Pearl metallic it is. So I am going to wherever the POP texture is highlighted, right, only there you can give it. Don't paint it completely, just give it natural streaks. That will give your nameplate some metallic touch to it. Once it got dried completely, first I am going to paint all the leaves. So here I am using this metallic color again so that the shininess will be there. There's one leaf color available, so directly I am placing that. If you don't have leaf color, just mix white color and dark green so that you will get this kind of shining green. Once it gets dried nicely, ensure that you make 2 to 3 coatings because it is a name board. It has to be more highlighted. So I have given here 2 coatings and it is very bright. I think it is enough. And for Ganesha I am giving yellow color. So once I give yellow color, finally I am going to give a touch up with golden color. So then the shininess will come more. So all the colors, everything is of your choice. Next for name and the door number, I am going to give a pink color. So once you make everything, just ensure that you give double coating and let it dry completely. Now I am going to use golden color 3D outliner Fevicryl. So these are the products which I have shown from my shopping vlog earlier. So you can check it out. The price is 20 rupees for one tube. Golden color outline will be seen, which will be very beautiful. I don't know whether in video you can see or not, but directly if you see, lot of that golden textures will be there. It will be very good. So Ganesha is done. Similarly, I am going to use this neon 3D outliner, which is pink color. That also I am giving. So this is not shininess, but it gives the 3D outline perfectly. So this is going to be our finishing. Just ensure that you do it carefully and slowly. Let it dry completely. So once everything is done, in the sides also you paint it with completely with black so that the finishing will be very good. So I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to hang some bells at the bottom. But I'm closing the video for now. In any of my coming vlogs, I will show you how the final product looks like. If you want to stop it here, this itself will look very good. You can use it for any gifting purpose or you can hang it in front of your door. Just to apply 2 nails at both the sides and you can tie one thread and you can hang it. This craft is actually easy. It consumes little bit time because each and every step you need to wait till it gets dried. You need to do it patiently. But once the final product is ready, you will feel proud of yourself. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.